Hi, I'm Nicole.
I'm Shakira.
I'm Mata.
Makaya.
And this is...
Meet the Whakawhānau. We love to dance. We love music. And we love sports.
Mama's a sports coach of basketball and netball for Tutoa, Mese, Ikaroa and Manawatu.
Mata and Makaya play basketball, netball and touch for Tutoa, and they also dance at a local dance studio in Palmerston North. Dad is a producer, a community worker, and dabbles in a bit of music too.
Winning this Hangi Kuka will not only feed us and our extended whānau, but it will also help us fundraise for our various sports trips and projects.
Please help the Whakawhānau win a brand new TK40 Hangi Kuka from Te Kohatu Hangi Kukas and Kia ora FM.